Hello guys, in this video we will be studying a new theorem which is related to tangent radius perpendicularity. So the statement of the theorem is a tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So what they have to say is that as I have taken a tangent L at point P, so we have to prove that OP is perpendicular to line L. So to prove this, we will initially consider that OP is not perpendicular to line L and we will do some construction work. So first we will write what is given data. So I have taken a line L is tangent to circle with center O at point of contact P. So point P is lying on the line as well as on the circle. So to prove is that line L is perpendicular to OP. To do this we have to do some construction. So initially we consider point P is not perpendicular to line point OP, radius OP is not perpendicular to line L. So I have taken OP here. This OP is lying on the line as well as on the circle. We have to consider this. So after this we will do some construction, that is draw OB perpendicular to line L and take a point Q on line L such that BP is equal to BQ, and take a point on line L such that BP is equal to BQ. So now we will go towards the proof. In proof we will show that the triangles OBQ and triangle OBP are congruent triangles. So we will consider these two triangles. So in triangle OBQ and triangle OBP, segment OB is equal to segment OB. Since this is the common side of the two triangles, so we will write the reason here as common side. Angle OBQ is equal to angle OBP is equal to 90 degree. As we can see that this is OB is perpendicular to line L, so we get this angle as 90 degree, and we will consider segment BQ is equal to segment BP. Since this is a construction work from construction, hence by SAS test for congruency, we have also seen SAS test for similarity. This is the SAS test for congruency. We can write that triangle OBQ is congruent triangle OBP. From this we can write that segment OQ is equal to segment OP. So these are the corresponding sides of triangles. Corresponding sides of triangles. Hence we get that OQ is equal to OP. Now you can see that OP is radius, as we have taken point P is on line L as well as on the circle, so OP is the radius, and hence from this we get that OQ is also a radius. OQ is also radius. Now in construction we have considered that point Q is on line L but not on the circle. So we have proved that point Q is on the line as well as on the circle. So we get P and Q are the 2 points, lying on circle as well as line L. So we get 2 points lying on circle as well as the line, so we cannot take line L as tangent, since the definition of the tangent is that it touches the circle at only one point. But our line is touching the circle at 2 points, that is P and Q. Hence our assumption is wrong. What we have assumed that OP is not perpendicular to line L. Since since it is a contradiction, we have to say that OP is perpendicular to line L, that is a tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Therefore we have proved that line L is perpendicular to OP.